Good news! Ang Bring Your Own Bote booth ng NutriAsia are back. Katulad ko din ba kayo na naghahanap ng paraan para makatipid at mabawasan ang mga basura? Tara, i-refill natin ang iyong mga paboritong pampalasa tulad ng Datu Puti Soy Sauce, Datu Puti Vinegar at Golden Fiesta Palm Oil sa mga diskwentong presyo. At alam niyo ba na since 2014, NutriAsia has been taking part in the movement towards a zero-waste community through projects. Kaya this year, NutriAsia carries on with its vision of a more environmentally sustainable world through a project called Bring Your Own Bottle, which encourages users to bring their own reusable bottles and refill their favorite condiments and products. Kaya pumunta na tayo sa Legazpi Weekend Market, Corinthian Park, Legazpi Village, Makati, 7 a.m. hanggang 2 p.m. from April 21 and 28 at May 5 at May 12. So bring your own bottle booth ng NutriAsia. Huwag kalimutan, dalhin ang iyong malinis, magagamit muli ng mga lalagyan upang ma-achieve ang mga eco-friendly na pagtitipid. See ya!